Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time we are going to explore into the question of aloneness. Before that, let us start from loneliness. Now, what is loneliness? In life, sometimes or other, we might have felt loneliness. We are cut off from the existence. Our relationships are not normal. We think that we are separate from the whole of the existence. Hence, we are in agony. That is a real problem with us. Now, how to go beyond this loneliness? For that, we have to be alone with ourselves. Alone with ourselves means to be one with the whole of existence. Aloneliness means being one with the whole of existence. That means our relationship with the whole of existence must be normal. We must know how to keep a better relationship with the existence. When we are with aloneliness, our relationship with existence will be quite normal. For that, we have to walk alone. We have to think alone. We have to talk with the trees. We have to be with the water, air, with all the things of the existence. Because we are part of the existence. Existence is functioning through us. So, there is no question of separated from the existence. Thoughts creates that we are separate from the existence. It is only the process of the thought. So, through meditative process, we will be able to go beyond thought process. Meditation is simply not closing the eyes. It must be practical. We have to be in touch with the life. If we are not in touch with life, we feel very agony. We feel that nobody is there here. We feel we are strangers here. But in real sense, we are not strangers here. Nobody is here a stranger. Because the whole existence functions holistically. We need the existence. The existence needs us. So the relationship is interconnected. We are all interconnected. Something happens somewhere. We are affected by that incident here. This is the nature of life. Now, being aloneness means being with ourselves. We know how to face ourselves. How to face ourselves is what meditation is. Moment to moment, we have to be aware of our own thoughts. Then, our relationship with the existence and all the human beings will be on the right path. Meditation is for right thinking. Right thinking means how to have a good relationship with all the things that exist here. That is what the practical spirituality is. Day to day we are facing conflicts amongst the fellow human beings. Now, how to avoid the conflicts? For that, we have to be alone. Alone means the truth of oneself. The truth is inside us. When we are with the truth, we will go beyond dualities of life. We have to observe the existence. The existence is one. When there is no difference between the existence and ourselves, we will be enlightened. That brings a joyous life. That is what enlightenment is. Every human being wants to have that state. When we are separated from the nature, only problems are coming up. When we feel oneness with the existence, that gives a blissful life. That is the purpose of life. One can attain that oneness here and now. That's why we always emphasize that meditation is very important. Meditation means to be aware of our own thoughts so that duality does not arise. We have to walk simply without carrying the thought process. Then we will be free from anger, violence, anxiety, depression, all those negative things. Being alone will give the utmost freedom in our life. Meditation brings freedom to our life. We will be in the original state of a being. That is what the ultimate adventure of life. That is what aloneness is. Aloneness means to be centered in oneself. Then that person will be a light unto himself or herself. Once again, we will be coming up with another one video explaining another one aspect of life.